Hi there, students. To enact, a verb, to enact. The enactment of something, the noun. And you can also have the verb to reenact, but maybe that's slightly different. Okay, so to enact means to put something into action, particularly a law. So the new law was enacted last week. Yeah, they enacted a law against doing certain things. Okay, the enactment of a law. But you can also use to enact talking about a plan. So we are going to enact this plan as of Monday morning. Okay, the plan is to be enacted on Monday morning. Okay, so to make something happen, yeah, to put it into action, but particularly for a law. Yeah, so the law or the bill was enacted to make a law. Notice as well, though, you can also use this verb to enact, meaning to act. An actor enacts a part. Okay, so he enacted a scene from Richard III. And that's where we get the verb to reenact, means to make an event happen again, but to copy it exactly the same way as it happened first time. Maybe to either as entertainment, so they reenacted the Battle of Naseby, or the police reenacted the crime to see if this would trigger anybody's memory. Okay, so to enact, to make something as a law or a statute, or to effect a law, yeah, to put something into effect. Okay, so to enact a ban. The school has enacted a ban on mobile phones in classes. We need to enact a policy to help people in this type of situation. To enact a measure, to enact a plan, to enact a policy, to enact a rule, to enact a statute. Okay, so that's the idea of this, to enact. A government or an authority enacts a proposal. Yeah, they command it, they establish it, they put it into law. Yeah, and then a person can enact a story or a play, they perform it by acting. He performed, he played, he enacted scenes from this book. And then to enact something, to make it happen, to put it in motion. Okay, so to enact, yeah, to make it happen, to make it real, to do or to effect. Yeah, so the changes will be enacted tomorrow. Okay, so formality, to enact. I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin in, and act, from actum, from the verb ago, to set in motion. So effectively, in motion, set in motion. Okay, so to enact, to make a law, put a law in force, or to make something, to do something, to enact a plan, to enact a way of doing things. And then to enact as well, to act the part of, to play the part of. And then to reenact, to enact again, to copy something that happened but the same way that it happened the first time. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Enact, reenact, enactment.